Previously on Outside Watch, we introduce ourselves, our boat, and explain how we ended up as full-time cruisers. We celebrate our 8th wedding anniversary and explore the beautiful island of Ratcha Noi.
Welcome to Koh Phangan, a floating gypsy village located in northern Phang Bay. The village was built by nomadic Malay fishermen over 200 years ago.
It's okay. Yeah.
So picturesque. This is really cool here.
It's like a dance class or something? It's really spicy.
It's so good. I don't know. What do you think? I don't have a preference either. This one is good as spicy, but let me try it again. Yeah. This is actually pretty nice with the crab. That's really good. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay.
What is it? Fried?
Oh my god, it's really good.
Wait a minute, who's this? This is Nicole. We met Nicole by chance while visiting the Phi Phi Islands back in June. Like us, she has also been stuck in Thailand since March. She works remotely as an English professor, teaching classes online a few days a week. Our paths crossed once again, and we decided to invite her on board for a quick one-way trip down to Koh Lipe. It turned into her sailing with us for an entire month.
Oh, good. Good. The dingling's okay. We're next to the pier. Trash is thrown out. Let's go.
The Phi Phi Islands have been one of the hardest hit areas by COVID-19 that we've seen so far. I don't mean by the actual virus itself, but by the lack of tourism. The island is extremely popular with foreign tourists and drove what must have been the majority of the economy here. It's really quite sad to see how different it was when we were here just back in January. That said, we were headed out to the last few remaining open bars and were determined to have a fun night out.
Can we get one large Singa, one large Leo, and whatever cocktail you want?
Is it possible to have a gin and soda bucket with lime? Do you have fresh limes? Maybe some limes as well? Oh, thank you. That's amazing. Wow, thank you.
What is that, Jen?
It's gin soda with lime. Let's see. Ooh, that's really healthy.
It's healthy.
Practically a f***ing diet.
It is. This is water with some gin and some lime. It's healthy as I'm gonna get around you guys.
I don't know what you mean.
What's your dog's name?
Lila.
Lila. Lila. Puppy. Oh. Hi, Lila. I got a haircut a couple weeks ago, and it was like I looked like a Pomeranian. He kept calling me a Pomeranian.
Pomeranian.
Lila. Oh, I want a Pomeranian so badly.
I know, they're super
They're
cute.
the cutest dogs in the world. Oh. I'm in love.
I think the Pomeranian would be fun on the boat.
Oh. If we ever get a boat dog, it'd be a Pomeranian. Oh, he's so fluffy.
Yeah. You ready for a puppy?
And here comes round number like 5,000 of squalls. We go again.
Oh shit! Dinghies! Oh shit! Our dinghy was about to like flip.
Well, I think once the boat goes into the wind, it'll be okay. It really keeps that on.
Yeah, we keep getting these weird gusts up the mountain. Hate talking to the camera.
Me too. We're like news anchors. Here's the weather.
Anyways, so we just want to talk about what was going on there with the weather. Basically, Thailand has 3 seasons, they say. It's hot, less hot, and wet. And we thought we had made it through the majority of the wet season once October arrived, but we were definitely wrong. And we just had the worst 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks of weather that we've ever had. So basically what happens is in the South China Sea you get these tropical storms and tropical depressions and now typhoons coming across. And when they do that, they suck all this air across Southeast Asia and it really strengthens the southwest monsoon. This is a live shot right now and we're in November, so it's not happening at the moment. But 2 weeks ago it was pulling all this air across, and with it, it would bring gale force winds, large seas, and squall after squall after squall for 2 weeks. We were stuck in Phi Phi. We decided to hunker down there for the majority of the time. We've made it to Koh Lipe now, and the sun is out again, and it's nice. So, we're excited for the northeast monsoon to set in. We actually dragged anchor twice.
We dragged anchor here during the day with 30 knot gusts, big squall coming through out of the least appropriate direction. Oh my gosh! It's crazy out there.
Since we've owned this boat, we've never dragged it. We've been in some pretty strong winds. One of the times we got a little complacent and didn't really test the anchor fully as we should have, so it's a lesson learned there. But thankfully, both times we were on the boat and able to get the anchor up and reset it or move somewhere else.
Let's talk about how we couldn't leave Thailand for a really long time.
So that's the next thing that we were going to mention. In the last vlog, we mentioned that we're not allowed to leave Thailand by boat, and that was true. To get approval to leave Thai waters as a pleasure craft, regardless of what your registration is, you have to contact your embassy, and then the embassy on your behalf requests through the Thai government for your departure. And we were starting that process, but it was a long and difficult one dealing with the embassy. Thankfully now that has changed, and Thailand is actually accepting yachts to come in, and you can clear out as normal. So that means we're not going to just be circling around Thailand forever anymore. So our plans now, right now today is November 2nd, and our visa expires on December 26th, which is just in time with the change in the seasons. So our plan is to go to the Maldives, which is fully open and has no COVID restrictions for boats. And then from there, we'll also go on to the Seychelles. That's the plan as of this moment right now. So
very excited for that. See some old friends, be good.
what is that? That is something we have not seen in a long time. The sun. What is looking out for tomorrow, so hopefully we'll be off to Lipe. What are you doing?
I'm gonna give Nicole a pedicure. I already had Skylark spa session myself.
Cool, you do that. And I'll drink beer.
I never gave anyone a pedicure before. I've never had one of my friends do it. Yeah, I've never like.
It's usually like something you do with your friends. You go.
Yes.
Years together.
Like an oak, I will stay right here in this valley and be closer to home every hour. And the earth is gonna hold me, show my worthiness as we get closer to home.
Made it.
Oh no!
Are you sad to be leaving?
It's weird. It is sad.
Yeah.
I was saying to my mom, it's like as happy as I am about land and like perhaps like routine and like the freedom to do whatever, I'm like, it's the end of an era.
Yeah. It was a good month.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah. It's like a swimming pool. Good morning.
Morning.
Where are we going?
We're going for a hike to a waterfall and then to a viewpoint that overlooks Koh Lipe.
And it's on Koh Dang. And the sun is out. It's beautiful. So this one is the main island of Koh Lipe. And then this bigger island over here is Koh Dang. And there's not much on the island, it's just a couple trails and a waterfall, apparently.
So beautiful out.
And a viewpoint up at the top. So let's go.
It's gonna be a beautiful trek. Hopefully we wore appropriate footwear.
choice there.
So beautiful here. Next time on Outside Watch, we give you the full inside, outside, and underwater tour of Skylark, our ML54.